I'm going to show my recent collection stack of books which I have just purchased from Delhi City. If you really believe on this fact that book can play a really massive role in our life, if we talk about at work, at professional life, or at any other aspect, you're gonna love this video, because what I'm going to do next in this video is I'm going to show my recent collection or stack of books which I have just purchased from Delhi City, right? So just have a sneak peek into what I have just purchased. So this is my first book, is Steve Jobs autobiography by Walter Isaacson. I freaking love Steve Jobs because he's the man who, of course, who just discovered the Apple, this idea, and my all-time favorite entrepreneur. Let's pick up the second book, The E-Myth, and look at the heading that book cover has mentioned: why most small businesses don't work and what to do about it. If you are an entrepreneur, or if you are thinking about starting out with your own business after 2, 3, 4 or 5 years, this book is gonna really impact at whatever you do in your business, right? And there's a second book which is, of course, entrepreneurship oriented, 0 to 1 notes on startup or how to build the future, the international bestseller. And number 4 is The Factfulness by Hans Rosling. And look at the heading: 10 reasons we are wrong about the world and why things are better than you think. #1 Sunday Times bestseller. And let's talk about some management book, or how we can really manage our time in a really twisted or weird way. The 4-hour work week. Look at the heading, the 4-hour work week. How this book is going to impact, I will share this on my upcoming videos. And let's pick up the 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 book ho chuki hai na, 6th book, Deep Work by Cal Newport, author of So Good They Can't Ignore You. So this is also the magnificent book if you really believe on this idea that we can really focus at higher level as we practice the deep work. And number 7th is the national bestseller, Influence. And just pay attention, guys, really pay attention on the heading. For marketers, it is among the most important books written in the last 10 years. Most of you know me, guys, that I just escape myself from the technology part, and I am really looking forward to discover every freaking angle that comes under the marketing and how I am going to invent myself in this particular freaking domain. So this book is really wonderful. And last, oh my god, this month, the the idea, kind of the ignition or the impact of the world that Elon Musk has in today's era, and how this individual, this freaking amazing individual, going to impact our future. Just pay attention to the wording of this particular 3 lines that mention in the cover of this particular book: how the billionaire CEO of SpaceX and Tesla is shaping our future. If I talk about the entrepreneurship, my all-time favorite, as I mentioned also, my first book that I picked is the autobiography of Steve Jobs, and my present one is this man. I know you all love this genius, and I'm going to rattle his mind through this particular book that I freaking love this, and I'm really excited about. I'm really passionate to read all of these books after the AKTU exams. I cannot wait to get started. And actually मैं confused नहीं हूँ कि कौन सी book मैं पहले choose करूँ, but yes, if you really believe on this idea that books can really play a massive role, then just purchase one, start reading it. And of course, about the reviews of this particular video and insights that I will gain, I will share on my upcoming videos.